Ngayon, nalagay na lahat nung nalutong maha blanca sa lianera. So, finishing touches na lang yung ginagawa ni Harvey. Naglalagay siya ng cheese on top. Mas prefer ko kasi yung cheese kaysa sa latik ba yun, yung brown. So, yun. Yan. My little chef, my little baker. Yan. And after that, Harvey, go on to the next one.
Okay, I'm done with this one.
The next one. There. Lapit ko sa'yo itong isa. By the way, hindi ko na-mention kanina, we also put a butter on, oil dun sa pinaka-lianera para hindi lumikit yung ating maha blanca. Sige, fill everything, Harvey. Every space is on top. There you go. Very good.